Look at here, guys. Got 3 baby armadillos right here in front of me. I could blast them, but I just don't like killing nothing for nothing. Look at them. They're so stupid. Even though they are bad for the land, I just ain't gonna kill them for no reason. Now, if they were some baby pigs, they'd have been splattered. They are literally, I'm right here in the golf cart, not even 5 yards away, and steady coming. We're gonna teach them a lesson. Run, else don't run them over, just go. Maybe they'll run away. It's crazy. There you go, run. They don't even want to run. Look at this one. You might run up under the golf cart. Get out of here. Alrighty.